Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be drawing a heart-shaped water droplet on toned paper with a 2B pencil. So the sketch I'm doing is very light and I tried to make the heart very round. This is a tip that I found very helpful when drawing water. Try to avoid any like straight lines or hard lines. You want everything to be kind of bubbly and round. So now I'm going in and just shading ever so lightly. You don't need to shade a lot because we're going to blend this out soon. So just shade, just not too much. And I'm leaving the right side blank because I'm going to fill that in with a white Prismacolor pencil crayon later. So you see right now I have a blender and I find this very easy to use a blender opposed to using a Q-tip. A lot of people are using Q-tips, which is great. Actually, Q-tips work very well for certain areas, but I was more comfortable using a blender and I feel the pencil smudges better that way. So yeah, I'm just going in and filling the right side of the heart with a white Prismacolor pencil crayon. And I'm not doing it very hard, just very lightly I'm shading. And I'm also using a Prismacolor blending pencil crayon as well, because I found that challenging. I needed to somehow blend the pencil crayon and using a smudger was not doing that for me, so I had to use the blender from Prismacolor. So this next step is probably what really brings the water droplet to life, is the black shadow. I am using a black Prismacolor pencil crayon as well. And I'm just doing the line isn't very thick. It's a thick line, but not terribly thick. Don't go overboard because again, I am shading, and you'll see here I am using a Q-tip because I did find that using a Q-tip for this specific part was great because I could really get in, I could control it better, definitely. You're also going to really want to define that black line against the white highlight, because this is what's going to make it pop. Last but not least, I'm using a paint marker to do a highlight on the top of the left corner of the heart, and this really brings it to life as well. So the highlights and the shadows, it really makes the water droplet pop. And I'm just going back and ever so slightly, just very lightly pressing down with the 2B pencil and kind of giving the heart a outline. I also find that this makes the water droplet look more realistic as well. Alright, that's pretty much it. I did do some extra shading because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.